This video provides instructions on how to set your mandatory profile image. Once you have completed your registration for REVS in the OMVIC portal and clicked on the Access Education REVS button, you will be taken to this screen to provide a profile image of yourself to be used for identity verification. To begin the process, click the Here link. Images should have good lighting and a portrait style showing your face clearly, like a passport or license picture. There are two ways you can provide an image. The first is to take a picture with your webcam or device's camera. To take your picture with your current device, click the Take Photo button. Camera permission must be granted in your browser to proceed to take the mandatory image with your device. When ready, click Capture to take the picture. To proceed to the learning platform, click Save. The second way to provide an image is to upload a photo. To do this, click the Upload Photo button. Uploaded photos should clearly show your face and shoulders and can be no larger than 5 megabytes. After selecting your photo from your device, it will appear here to confirm your choice. Click the Save button to then proceed to the learning platform. Thank you for watching this short video on how to set your learning platform profile picture.